Minsan sa ating buhay, nakararamdam tayo ng pagod. Iniisip na nating huminto. Pero sa kabilang dako, pinipili pa rin nating bumangon, kumilos, para harapin ang panibagong araw. Good morning! It's another beautiful day, guys. Nandito ngayon ako sa kahabaan ng Prince Nasser bin Abdulaziz Street. Haba ng pangalan, no? Sa pangalan pa lang ng street, malolos ka na. Oh, wala ka na. Ang hirap memoryahin ng pangalan, eh. Anyway, papunta ngayon ako sa aking hanap buhay. Ang oras ay, oops, wala pala akong relo. Basta around 6:40 AM sa aking lugar. Punta ako sa bus stop. Punta ngayon ako sa bus stop. Ayan, oh, si paring Mike. Minusinahan ako ng paring Mike. Ang dakilang bisor, tagapamahala, ang pagmamayari ng isang pribadong tahanan dito sa Saudi. Ayan, no? So Mike,
hello,
say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Sa mga taga Mindanao, no?
Oh, Mindanao, Cotabato.
Cotabato, Kuya Mike, aking kapitbahay.
Hello.
Thank you, thank you. Have a great day. Ayan. Ang aking kapitbahay dito, mga supervisor, asset management ng isang private entity. Ayun na, malapit na ang bus stop. Si Mr. Zakaria, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Hey.
Huh? Mr. Zakaria from Kerala, India. My travel buddy. Morning.
Bago ka ng pwesto, bro.
Binablog ko yung dang ko, eh. Guys, kaibigan ko, kasama sa samahan ng pasahero ng Hamra. Tuwing umaga, travel buddy. Nani. Hindi siya Nani, siya siyang office executive. Hindi siya Nani lang pangalan niya.
Kasali lahat.
Morning, Mary. Guys, populated kami ng Pilipino ngayon, jump pack. Si Miss Mary, si Mr. Nani, at ang dalawang taga BFL. Andito po kasama natin si 10 years na tayo magkakasabay. Anong pangalan mo, ate?
Abigail.
Abigail, si ate.
Joy po.
Ha?
Joy.
Joy. Si Miss Joy at Miss Abigail. 10 taon ko nang kasabayan, eh. Kaya lang, eh. Sige, ha? Kasama nga. Ano yung salve? Pangalan ng tao?
Supervisor nila.
Okay. Finally, reach the final station. My right.
This train is bound for Cape of
Labas naman tayo ng train.
من أجل سلامتكم الرجاء توخي الحذر عند بوابات التذاكر. الأطفال دون سن السادسة لا يحتاجون إلى تذكرة. يجب حملهم من قبل شخص بالغ عند العبور.
Attention please. For your safety, approach the ticket gates carefully.
Andito na ngayon ako sa area ng aking trabaho. Tapos ang aking biyahe using the bus and the metro. Kasi po yung ginagawa itong bridge na ito. Patwalk yan mula sa Granada Business Park going to the Granada Mall. Tararang, tantan. Just arrive at the office. You open ang laptop. Lilinis ng workplace. Diba ang gagawin? At itatransfer natin ang ating aloe vera plant gamit yung aking nabiling soil. Katulong ang aking kaibigan na si Mito. Watch out for it. Retired na yung aloe vera plant. Your goals are like seeds. You plant them today to harvest them tomorrow. It's okay. One week, sir? 2 weeks. Okay, thank you. Later. Go. Guys, time check. What is the time? The time now is 6:09, huh? See it? Okay. Hi guys, this is my friend Mr. Balshishan, my dear friend from Pakistan, a very gentleman. With the help of Mr. Balshishan, I am able to save money for I think 25 riyals, guys. Plus the 1 hour travel that I save. This time I can be able to cook my food at house and eat early. My dinner. Mashallah. Thank you so much, Mr. Shishan. I really appreciate your help. Just alighted at my place. Salamat sa aking kaibigan for giving me a ride. A free ride. Just imagine, no? Traffic pa yun, ha? Just a 20 minutes ride compared to 1 hour travel by train and by bus. So iba talaga kapag for private car ang dala-dala. Mas mabilis ang biyahe. It's just a matter of how many exits. 1, exit 9, exit 10, exit 11, and exit 12. Andito na ako sa aking bahay. Sa aking area. Ngayon, kailangan ko lang pagkain. Meron ba akong makakain? Wala pang sahod. Pag wala pang sahod, guys, taste muna. Chinelas, pipirito akong chinelas. Ayan, ayan. Bili tayo ng food for the dinner. Good evening, my good friend. How are you? I have a small video, chicken, fried chicken, and shawarma stores. Hello. Ang kanilang menu. I have shawarma, patayon, appetizers. I have roasted, charcoal chicken, half grilled chicken with rice. Take away. Can you see that? That is shawarma, right? Thank you so much, Habibi. I got half grilled chicken with rice for 24 riyals. Medyo mahal, no? Back to my home place. So much for this vlog, guys. Sana ay napanood nyo ang kabuuan ng vlog na ito. I hope to see you in the next one. This is your Solid TV. Nagsasabing, always choose to be kind and always spread kindness. Bye bye.